Welcome, dear students. Today's topic is rusting of iron. What is rusting? Rusting is the formation of reddish brown rust on iron. Conditions for rusting: oxygen plus water, both are needed. Nature of rusting: corrosion process, redox reaction. Formation of rust: electrochemical process at anode, oxidation, iron loses electron; at cathode, reduction, oxygen gains electron. Prevention of rusting: painting, oiling, greasing, galvanization, stainless steel. Why rusting is redox: iron oxidized, loss of electron; oxygen reduced, gain of electron. Effects of rusting: weakens iron, damage to structures, economic loss. Example of rust: rusted nail, old gate, rusty ship. Thank you.